How to turn up your ringtone and notification volume on the iPhone 14. Welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn up your volume. For those of you that are watching this video, you guys probably are having issues hearing your volume, and you've already tried the volume button on the side over here. Right over here, there's a volume up and down. Let's say mine is currently turned up all the way, and for whatever reason yours is as well, and you're not hearing it. It's very faint, very quiet. The one thing I'll tell you guys is if you're holding your device and your phone is ringing, and it'll be softer, it'll be quieter because the device senses that it is quieter and that is being held, and it's going to be ringing quieter, as opposed to if it were laying upside down on a table somewhere. It does not sense that, so then when the volume rings, it'll be louder. But if still your device is being super quiet, this is the way to make it even louder. So we're going to start off by going into settings, and we are going to be going into sounds and haptics, which is going to be right here towards the top. Go ahead, select that, and then right here it says ringtone and alert volume. Right now mine is right at the middle. If yours is set lower, it'll be quieter. If you wanted it louder, put it to the max, all the way to the very, very top. So that's going to be set pretty much to the max. So right here we have change with buttons. If you go ahead and select that, now we have change with buttons. So it says the volume of the ringer and alerts can be adjusted using the volume button. So now we're up here. As you turn that down, this turns down as well. So we'll go ahead and leave this, and it's right up here at the top. It tells you that's your ringer. You're turning it up or down, so to have that. So there you guys have it. Once again, sounds and haptics. You can turn it up here and leave it just to have a remote, a little bit of controls here, or you can just hit it with change with buttons. So there you guys have it, a quick tutorial on how to turn the volume up on your ringtone and alerts. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who can benefit from seeing this video, be sure to share it with them. If you'd like to see more helpful tips and tricks, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Peace.